Intention for Umrah. Now the Islamic brothers with their heads uncovered and the Islamic sisters with their heads covered should make the following intention whether they are performing normal Umrah of any day other than the Hajj season or Umrah for Hajj Tamattu'. The intention is Allahumma inni uridul Umrah fayassirha li wa taqabbalha minni wa a'inni 'alayha wa barik li fiha nawaitul umrata wa ahramtu biha lillahi ta'ala. Translation: Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, I make the intention of Umrah, make it easy for me and accept it from me. Help me in performing it and make it blessed for me. I have made intention for Umrah and put on its ihram for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal. Intention for Hajj. After putting on the ihram of Hajj, a mufrid should make the following intention. Similarly, after putting on ihram, a mutamatti should also make the following intention on 8th of Dhul Hijjah or before it. An intention of Hajj is Allahumma inni uridul hajja fayassirhu li wa taqabbalhu minni wa a'inni 'alayhi wa barik li fihi nawaitul hajja wa ahramtu bihi lillahi ta'ala. Translation: Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, I make the intention of Hajj, make it easy for me and accept it from me. Help me in offering it and make it blessed for me. I have made the intention for Hajj and have put on its ihram for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal. Intention for Hajj Qiran. A Qarin should make intention for both Hajj and Umrah in the following words. Allahumma inni uridul Umrah wal Hajja fayassirhuma li wa taqabbalhuma minni nawaitul umrata wal hajja wa ahramtu bihima mukhlisan lillahi ta'ala. Translation: Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, I make the intention of Hajj and Umrah, make both of them easy for me and accept them from me. I have made the intention of Hajj and Umrah and have put on the ihram of both solely for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal. Labbaik. After making the intention, whether it is the intention of Umrah or that of Hajj, it is essential to utter Labbaik at least once. Uttering it thrice is preferable. Labbaik is as follows. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, labbaik la sharika laka labbaik, innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak.